morning. Good morning. Man, what's up? Good morning. We're about to get on a boat and travel. Look around the island of Guam. We got all our family here. It's gonna be nice. We're gonna have a good time. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for coming along. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Apa putea a trip. E por isso eu aceito ser rápido. E Janet, apa sop kapok? All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Right now we're with family going out to we're gonna go on the water. I think that's where we're headed to, and then we're gonna be going out and just have a great time. And then just grateful for another beautiful day. It's raining, but it's nice because we're gonna enjoy, and the sun is not too hot today. So yep. This is the rest of the crew coming along, and everyone is excited. All right, here they come. Tristan, you ready for a trip of a lifetime?
Yes, I am very ready. Shout out to Ryan Customized. Yes.
See, that's Mars. Mars is gonna have a good time, and then and Stan.
Shot. Ngolo flower na.
Pwede na flower. É por isso. E eu quero que Vanuatu. Yay. Sabor Grisor Prime Minister Payapar to Fichi. Say Prime Minister. Everyone is getting ready to go on the boat. Hey, Mr. Tristan is ready to go. Woo. Go get your life vest. Everyone is excited now. They just want to go. They don't even want to take their vest. Woo. And then that's where we're headed. Oh yeah. This trip is a trip of a lifetime. Thankful for our family for allowing us to go on this trip. And then, yes, we're waiting for the rest of the crew to come back, and so we can all head out to the Pacific Ocean and just have a great time. All right.
Your jacket, you just hook it to the side, net.
Looks like everyone is ready. Do I have to wear a life jacket?
No.
Okay.
You should have one. Did you grab one on the way?
No, but I will.
Can you grab me one too?
Okay. Or maybe one of you guys should go back and grab him because I can't. Yeah.
Good,
Just
let me know how many you need. I'll run back.
No, they'll get it for you. Yeah. No worries. Rápido. All right. You'll be leaving right now. Okay. Good luck, boys. Go. And here we are.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, before we start the adventure, here's your safety brief. Be safe. I'm kidding. In the event of a fire, I'm Deckhand Dino. Behind the wheels is Still, with over 300 years of captaining experience.
All right.
Captains in America.
Excuse me, can I translate in
Okay, I'll go slow.
Okay, Monson van Vella. The boys will sell turbo cough.
All right, so if there's a fire, just get up and move away from the fire. But don't jump off yet. Translate down.
Okay, arresa sete boom cough. No,
If you jump and we don't tell you, we take your name off the manifest and you no longer exist. But yeah, if there's an emergency, just listen to one of us and we'll give you direction.
All right.
Captain Jason has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. You are able to move up and around the cabin.
All right.
Thank you for choosing Bikini Island Club.
Yay! Woo! All right, a trip of a lifetime, guys. Lobos.
So when we go out there, we might see dolphins. The low tide, when it's low tide, the dolphins will bring that to come around. They go up down. They let it go to 2 months. But if you see the dolphins, just look for the fins in the water, and if you go there, Jason will go there.
All right.
But yeah, if you guys are looking out, and if you see anything, just let Captain Jason know, and he'll go in the direction you point him to.
All right. Sounds good.
All right.
Hi, Austin. Hi, Draven. And then all of you. Woo. This is the rest of the group right now. Grandma Pansi, Mommy, Aunty Bethleen, Uncle Dorsett, Janet, Grandpa Myner. Woo. It's a Osmo Pocket, yeah.
Is that designed for?
Yeah, for vlogging, yeah. Yeah, got a crew. Nice. Yee. And that's the Pacific Ocean. Get fired.
Have these guys driven jet skis before?
No. It's their first time, that's why. Chagurus.
Kahit Chaguro, sila mo rin na.
These sharks are attracted to the jet skis.
Oh, really? That's not good then.
They're small sharks, they're just baby sharks.
You can. See, everyone. You can do this. You can do that. Use that as a joystick.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Yeah. But try to go slow. Don't pan fast, okay? Where's Draven? Oh, Draven, what's up?
Draven, come.
Mike, can I check it? Oh. Here. Hi, Draven. See? See? Look at Elston is right there. Come on. What? Pinapapar mo ikaw soup.
How do we zoom?
Huh? Oh. This one, you just have to press this one. When it's like that, then you zoom in. It doesn't go too far, but that's how it, yeah. Yeah. And then the pan, you click one more time and then you can do that. Let me see. Let me hear. Austin, what do you want to do? You just want to swim? You just want to go swim?
I'm gonna take mine off. Mine's gonna break.
Is that a turtle? That's a dirt dun? Oh, that's a rock.
That's a rock.
That's a rock. Okay, but we do have turtles. We spotted some turtles around here. And that's another turtle. Oh, I don't see that. Oh, yep.
Another one?
Yes. Oh, that's a big turtle ninja, Helston. Oh, look at that. That's one turtle. Rafael is coming up. Rafael is coming up. Where's Splinter? Oh, I guess Splinter doesn't exist here. Hey, Janet. Ina wapanaw it. What's up, Pichi Rocco? How was it?
It was nice.
Huh?
That was fun. Yes, you were nice. Banana boat.
Let's go. Go eat. Narira mo ko. Captain. Yeah. Ira.
Just tell Rich you know you did it.
Aston. Narira mo. Draven, go eat. What's the best part about the jet ski?
Going fast.
Why didn't you guys come in front of me so I can shoot you
We
with
gotta
the...
follow his path.
I should follow you guys with the drone.
Why didn't you?
I only got a little bit.
I wish I had my phone so I could throw it on the water.
I did get it on this.
That was our plan. Me and Preston were like, hey, we gotta follow for the camera.
Yeah, John?
Hey, have fun, right?
Here, we're start boga. Enough group boga. Then we're gonna swim again.
Go.
Hey. Are you next?
Shout out to Kansas family. Shout out to Casey family. Shout out to Chuuk family. Shout out to Guam family. Shout out to my family.
Hey.
3, 2, 1.
No, it's trash. It was flat. Yeah, I hit my stomach right. You just go like that. You don't go up. Did I hit my stomach?
From the #1 station, this is a story about love. A love story. Music is love, and love is music. Yeah. Sing the song, brother, sing the song. Sing the song, you could never be wrong. Yeah.
I've been waiting for a sign.
Do you hear that?
Now I'm dancing to your vibe. I'm holding it forever, like a treasure from the tree, right from the tree. My body ain't confused no more.
Do you hear that?
I'm looking at the sky, see the spark and singing. I've been waiting for a sign.
Get up and move your feet.
I Now I'm dancing to your vibe.
Music is sweet for your dancing feet. So get up and move your feet. Let love shine bright along the way. Let love shine in your heart each and every day. I did this Al Capone and Alex say,
We're losing it together. Enchanting wherever on the sea.
Do you hear that?
I know I wanna tell you.
Sing the song you could never be wrong.
Fire burning in you make me wanna sing.
Sing the song, brother.
I've been waiting for a sign.
Out the light, baby.
Now I'm dancing to your
Out the
vibe.
light to make it right. Flash it from the top to the very last drop, you know. Don't leave no stones unturned. The more you live is the more you learn. Woo! Till live the life you love. In love the life you live. Cause music is mine to give. Live and let others live. And your days may be longer upon this land. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Music is sweet for your dancing feet. So get up and move your feet. Let love shine bright along the way. Let love shine in your heart each and every day.
Alright, we're just about to wrap up the video for today. Thank you, Tristan, for this wonderful time of the day.
Thank you.
We enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Yep. And then everyone else is now getting ready to get settled in so we can all go back to the lovely island of Guam. Thank you, Guam, for your beautiful ocean and this wonderful journey of a lifetime cruising and swimming with the turtles and just having a great time, especially the kids. So thank you all. Special shout out to Dorsett, Uncle Dorsett, Aunty Bethleen, Grandpa Myner, Grandma / Captain Pansi, and then Jojo and Jancy and Janet. Thank you for taking us on this lovely trip. What do you say about this trip?
Yeah, it was fun.
Good?
W day. It was a nice day. Yes, we went to a bikini island, jet skis. We had a lot of food. We have everyone here. I'm having a great time.
Uncle Dorsett, what do you say?
This was a good experience. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, you, Teresa?
Yeah, it was fun.
It was fun? Yes. And you guys? It was fun? Fun? Yeah. What do you say?
A 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Baby? All right. All right, we're gonna... It's windy.
Thanks for booking this charter. I needed the extra hours.
Let's go jump at the pier.
Wow.
Where? Is that it?
Yeah.
Just wait for it.
What the hell?
Pond?
Did you guys have a good time today?
We had a great time.
Nice. You, Reva?
That was a good captain. Yeah, I still think that was you, not him. This morning.
Je kunt turti. Daar je wat? Ja. Ja, captain. Ja, ze na vet trade. Ja, captain af turti. Ja, sorry.
Pick up the trash. Pick up the...
No, I'll take them till 10 o'clock. Extra hours.
Ja. All right. Thank you all for the ride. Everyone enjoyed. Thank you very much. We had a good time, girls, right? All right, we're gonna wrap up the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys follow us on YouTube and see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Video. Beautiful sunset here in Guam, on Guam. We'd like to say thank you for all the viewers and thank you for all the people paying for the trip today. And we thank you all for just everyone showing up to the trip today. So thank you.
It was a nice day. Everything was nice. We got out here, went swimming the jet skis. I'm not gonna lie, getting on the jet skis I was kind of scared because I never swam in the ocean before, only at Cozy, Seattle. But I had my older bro, Mark, shout out to him. I trusted him with my life. And, we had fun. After the first couple minutes, we started going fast, taking loops around the island. A beautiful island, by the way. You guys should, whenever you guys have the chance, or you guys should come out to Guam. Come to, what's this place called? Bikini Island Club. Bikini Island Club? Bikini Island Club.
Okay.
And you guys, if you guys can, get on a boat, spend time with your family. Great spot. I had fun today. Shout out to the people in this video. I love y'all.
Thank you.
Now we're about to go home, rest up. Tomorrow I think we have another thing planned.
Yeah.
The thing's not over.
It's not over. It's just starting for right. Okay. Thank you. Horse, anything? Thank you. Thank you.
I gotta think.
All right. I think we'll wrap it up for today, and we'll see you guys on the next video tomorrow. Peace out.